Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign documents on your iPhone. First, locate the document you wish to sign, perhaps in your Mail or Files app. Once opened, tap the markup icon, which looks like a pen tip, usually found in the top right corner. This action reveals a set of editing tools. Next, tap the plus sign, then select Signature to either add a new signature or use an existing one. To create your signature, simply use your finger to draw it directly on the screen. Take your time to make it look just right. Once you're satisfied, tap Done in the top right corner to save it. Your newly created signature will then appear on the document. You can easily drag it to the correct position and use the blue dots at the corners to resize it, ensuring it fits perfectly within the designated area. After you've successfully placed and resized your signature on the document, tap Done once more, typically in the top left corner. This action will present you with several options for handling your signed document. You can choose to reply All or New Message to send it immediately or select Save File to store it in a preferred location on your iPhone or iCloud Drive. Beyond the built-in markup tool, there are other convenient ways to sign. For physical documents, the Notes app allows you to scan them and then use the markup feature to add your signature. Additionally, several excellent third-party applications, such as Adobe Fill and Sign, provide more advanced features for document management and signing. Remember to always double-check your signed document for accuracy before sending it off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.